this vegetable sauce. After watching this video, trust me, you will like it, and make sure you try it. All right, follow us to the end to see how we prepare this delicious vegetable sauce.
Vegetable sauce. Trust me, you will like it. These are one of the ingredients we're using to make this particular recipe. This is our Irish potato, our green pepper, green beans, and onions we are using to make this particular. This is our carrots, our scotch bonnet pepper, our carrots. Stay tuned to how I'm going to prepare this particular recipe. This is the chicken. Trust me, you will like it. Stay tuned as we make this particular one. I'll be directing my wife as my wife will be making this particular vegetable sauce. Let's dive into the kitchen.
As you can see, we are spicing the chicken, all right, to arrange it to get ready for cook. You have seen the ingredients we are using. We use our seasoning cube, we use our salt, we use our dry pepper, we add in our curry, little curry, add our thyme, add our fresh pepper, our chopped onions. Then we do well to mix everything together so it will rub all over the chicken. Don't put water, just cover it and put it on the fire. Allow it to produce its own water. All right. Well, if this is your first time to see my channel, this channel is all about how to cook any kind of African food. If you are not subscribed, do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be getting updates anytime we drop our video. Now you have seen, we first of all put the potato. After putting the vegetable oil, when the vegetable oil heats very well, you add in your potato and mix it very well. Let me know what you think after watching this video. If you find this a helpful, please give us a thumb like. When your potato, fry it for minimum of 10 minutes. Then you add in your carrots, add in your green beans, you do well to stir again to mix together. One thing about this sauce, the sweetness of it is when you use enough vegetable oil. Then when you mix together, you add in your onions, you do well to stir again to mix together, give a good mix. Don't mind us, we did not record where we put the pepper and when we add the chicken because we thought the camera was recording. If you have such experience, let me know. You will think you are recording until you are not recording anything. Then when we put the chicken off camera and put the pepper, then we are adding other things: curry, pepper, seasoning cubes, salt, and give a good mix again. My wife also is a very good cook. I am also a professional cook. So both of us are doing it together. Then when you cover, open in next 3 to 5 minutes to see how good the food come out. If you can be able to help your wife in the kitchen, it's very, very important though. Very, very good. Two of you will enjoy the cook. All right. In case if your husband is not helping you, try to, plead to him to be helping you. As a man, if your wife is not helping you in the kitchen also, because it's not only woman's responsibility to be cooking every time, it's also a man's responsibility. We put our bell pepper. When both of you add it together, trust me, the cooking will be something that you cannot imagine. It will come out very, very nice. Now, this is our white rice. We serve when it's hot. Let me know what you think on comment section. Thank you.